here is a review of this appliance slider. I've had this slider for a while now and I really love it. It makes it very easy to be able to clean the surface of your counter and around the appliance without actually having to move it. We have a fairly large appliance on our slider right now, and so anytime we need to fill the water reservoir at the back or refill the beans, it's so easy just to pull it right out and be able to slide it right back. This would be really great for any sort of larger appliance, like a mixer that's really heavy, or even a toaster. If you don't always want it pulled to the front of the counter, it's just going to be really easy to slide. As far as what the actual slider looks like, if I take this off, you'll see that it's actually really easy to clean, very wipeable. So we can take that off, we can give it a wipe, nice and clean. It has a couple little like pull handles on both sides, depending on however you want to orient it based on what appliance you're putting on it. And you can see the bottom is just these rolly wheels and they spin all the way around. It's solid wood as well, so it can hold a lot of weight. And it just makes it really easy to slide your appliance to be able to clean and just to make things a lot easier for you on your counter. And it looks really nice. So I hope this helped.